Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video, I want to do a craft with me. I want to create a card and share some of the new releases over at scrapdivadesigns.com. These items will be available April the 4th, and you can use code Poochie10 to save 10% off your entire purchase. The first set that I wanted to show you guys is this one here. This is a must-have. I cut out everything except for the cactus. I have to do the cactus still. But it's called the Cowboy bundle, guys. This is going to be a must-have, especially if you want to get into this Western theme. You want to get stuff for your stash to build that. Definitely a must-have in my book, okay? Let me show you guys what they create. You get this cute little cowboy hat. This adorable little cowboy boot or cowgirl boots. And I cut it out of 3 different colors. And it comes with these little stars that you can decorate. It also comes with a little plate where you can cut 2 of these lizards, and they have like little embossed eyes. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but they're adorable. Then you get 2 different styles of the horseshoe. You get this one here and then this one. So I just cut these out of the same color scheme. I used that Michael's Craftsmith paper pad that I've been using. And I just used the pink, the yellow, and the blue. Because I wasn't sure. I was trying to match to her new collection. Which, if you haven't seen that collection, go check it out, you guys. I just posted a video of it. I'm not sure when I'm going to post this video, but it should be tomorrow. So, check out yesterday's video. I have a link down below so you guys can see the paper collection. So, you get all those pieces, you guys. And then I also wanted to showcase this stamp set. This stamp set is so bomb. I love it so much. You get This Ain't My First Rodeo. I love the different fonts that she put. Well, Hey There Lady. Cowgirl with the rope and then the hat. Bless Your Heart. That one's really pretty. Let's Go Girls. The Cowgirl boots. Howdy. And then the G Thanks. So I did do some stamping here. I want to do a live coloring these with you guys. But today, I just wanted to do a card with you all because that's what I decided to do with these sets so far. I did do some embossing. Guys, definitely use embossing for your sentiments. Look at how beautiful. These are from scrapbook.com. I'll have them linked down below. I just did clear embossing on this one. It doesn't show up too well, but these are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then I also did the Cowgirl one. Look at how pretty, guys. And I inked this out of a really light pink on yellow, and I just did clear embossing powder over it. And I die cut it with some of my dies in my stash. So this is what we're going to be using to create our card today, along with some of these elements that I just shared with you all in this Cowboy bundle. All right. So to save time, I went ahead and did my background. I used a stencil for this. I'll have a link down below in case you're interested. It's from my stash. And it's just a Dollar Tree little card base. And I just wanted to use this as my background piece. And let's go ahead. I'm trying to think whether I want to put dimension on this or the elements. And since it's in a foreground, we're going to go ahead and glue this down just flat. Now, guys, I am not the best card maker. I actually struggle when it comes to making cards. I love to make shaped cards because they're really simple. But a card like this, I get intimidated by sometimes. So this probably won't be the best card, but I think it came out really pretty. I love the way the background looks with these elements. So I decided to come on and share with you all. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the middle. Glue that down. And then we'll go ahead and glue this down. And like I said, I'm just going to make it flat because I will be popping up the other elements, I guess. Okay. Next time, I'll definitely emboss this in a darker color. But you guys know how I am. I don't waste nothing. So look at that there, Cowgirl with the bows. I think that's so pretty. And then we're just going to take some of our elements. I'm going to do the shoe. I think I want to do the shoe here. And then we'll do the hat. And I think I'll place that there. And then we'll do one of the horseshoes. And I think I will place that here. So again, I'm going to make a really simple card. Yeah, I'm going to do that. And I'm going to stamp in this color, the picked raspberry. Guys, I don't think I want to put dimension. I'm going to lay these all flat. So really simple card to put together to go with your Western theme that we're doing. I have another idea for this die set, but again, I wanted to just play with it and create a card. Let's do the hat. And you can use pattern paper to create these little die cuts. I just used my solid cardstock because I was waiting on the collection to come in. And I really was trying to match the colors, but I don't think I did a good job of matching the colors. But still, if you don't have any, you know, Western theme paper, definitely grab that collection. But you can also too just use your colored cardstock. Okay, let's do the horseshoe. So I want you guys to not forget about your embossing powders. I've been having a lot of fun playing with my embossing powders. And so hopefully all right, so I went ahead and I stuck a little star right there. I kind of want to put a bow on the boot, but I think I will just go for this. Guys, let me know what you guys think about this card. I know it's not the prettiest or the best card. Like I said, I struggle with card making, but I think it came out pretty cute. Let's go ahead and stamp a sentiment here. And I'm going to use that Kish Flamingo. And let's pick out one of these stamp sets. Hey there, lady. This ain't my first rodeo. Gee, thanks. Bless your heart. Let's do bless your heart. I really like that sentiment. Okay. I usually like to leave my cards blank so someone can use it, but this is perfect to go with the Cowgirl theme. So let me go ahead and get my stamp nice and inked. And use your stamp platforms if you want to get a perfect finish. We're just going to go ahead and do this like this. Let me hold this down with one of my magnets. And I'm gonna go for about here. Okay. Perfect, you guys. Bless your heart is what it says. Let's close this up and wipe my stamp off. I'm obsessed with this stamp set, you guys. Hopefully I have the time to do some more videos with it. I actually created, let me show you guys what I've been playing with. So this is how the card turned out. Let me know what you guys think. Don't be too hard on me because like I said, I'm not a card maker. Let me show you guys what I was playing around with another one. If I could find it. Okay, so I was playing around with it and I created this background. And I love the way this came out. I did this one and I didn't like the way it came out. So I flipped it around to use this side. I love how it looks with this darker blue ink. And I did create another little background with my stencil. And I thought that that would look cute. And again, I cut out a bunch of these so you can just kind of play with this set, guys. It is really adorable. You can add a sentiment. This probably isn't the best with the yellow background. But there's so many die sets that are cute. And I just wanted to share with you all. You can use one of these embossed ones. Bless your heart. But I want you guys to think about embossing and, you know, creating some cute little cards to go with all your products you're going to be creating in the Western theme. And so yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Everything will be linked down below as soon as it's available on April the 4th, okay? If something is available now, I'll have it linked, and I will catch you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.